Welcome back guys to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to make kulfi out of Gits Kulfi mix. Let's see what are the package content. Inside we get only a single pouch. The pouch has something written on it. You can pause the video to read it. And here is our kulfi mix. As per the instruction, I have taken 350 ml of lukewarm milk. Into this I am adding the mix and mixing it until there is no lumps. My mixing is complete. Now I am going to heat this mixture over a stove. Now I am going to boil this mixture for one time, and later I will be simmering it for 5 minutes. Now I will be cooling this milk mixture entirely and going to pour this into the kulfi mold. Now let this kulfis set for 6 hours in the freezer. Before taking out the kulfis, run the kulfi mold in normal tap water. It will make easier to pull out the kulfis. The kulfis are ready and ready to be served. These kulfis taste awesome. I hope you like these too. If you liked our video, please don't forget to like the video, share and let us know by your comments.